Yo, it's raining. Let's watch the streets get empty. Man, this whole street is full. Oh, they still got some people down there. I'll try to see clear up. Count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Man, people still out here, man. I guess my theory was wrong. It ain't as many people as it was here, but they definitely didn't clear out that much. Okay. All right, look. Down there is empty. Remember all them people down there? They gone. Still got some runners. Come on, man. As soon as I say they gone, somebody else come out. Get some shelter, guys. What's wrong with y'all? Okay. It's raining harder now. Get in. When God say get in, everybody better get in. It's always the little kid want to be last. Get out of the rain. Come on. No more money today. Hustling over. Okay, we got one person with an umbrella. 3 people. Empty. 4 people. Let's try it again. 1 person. Uh-oh, look pretty empty. 2 people. 3 people. 4, 5, 6, 7. Man, I quit. I'm gonna quit on y'all, man. Y'all can go get on and get some shelter or what? Look at this guy chilling. He chilling. That's an old man, yo. He like water ain't hurt nobody. Free water. They got an umbrella. Man, they just chilling. I ain't running out of this rain. Well, it's empty on this side. A lot less than it was.